This is Florence Young, a really famous man in Wandsworth, but one event in his life was known as the Great London Beer Flood. It was October the 17th, 1814, when a vat produced by Florence burst in New Brewery, releasing porter. The beer then split neighbouring casks and vats, and the total beer then burst through the back brewery wall, a 20-foot high wall. It was a 5-metre tidal wave of beer which flooded the streets of London, killing 8 people and demolishing lots of different properties. The resultant beer was collected by people in pots and pans, and the reported drunkenness went on in an area now known as Tottenham Court Road Station.